okay. Cut the teeth on it from 3 years old.
So day 2 at the waters has gotten off to an exciting start already. As you can see, we are in dense fog. I can't see much more than a belt length off my bow. We're looking for my start spot right now. There's some weather that came through last night. Hopefully that'll help the bite a bit this morning. We definitely have fog. I don't know what's above it. I'm guessing there may be some clouds. The birds are singing. There's no wind. So we're gonna go fish some topwater early here and see if we can find a couple of big ones. Oh, that's a better fish there. Big one. Not a big one. He's a fighter. It's a good fish there. We're back out here at the waters on day 2, and we've got the exact opposite of what we had yesterday. Yesterday was bluebird skies and hot as blazes and just a miserable day to fish here in Alabama in the dog days of summer. This morning we came out and we've got clouds and thick fog, and it's the perfect morning to fish in the summertime. These fish are all over the frogs and the buzzbaits today. There's a bunch of shad underneath that tree. Right. Ooh, it's a big one. It's a big one. Biggest one yet. So we're out here in the waters, buzzbait fishing, and I barely had this one hooked. Look at this. This is crazy. Even with a trailer hook, I barely had this guy hooked. And this is our biggest fish of the day so far. This is a real quality fish here. And I saw some shad being pushed up onto the bank, and it threw my buzzbait up right to the bank under some trees. It took me right under. It's a good fish right here. So we just wrapped up day 2 here at the waters in Alabama, and it's been a challenging 2 days. We had horrific, just hot weather yesterday that came in right away. We got in the water at the crack of dawn and got on a topwater bite, threw a buzzbait. Didn't really have much luck with that yesterday, a couple of blow-ups. Threw a frog and caught some good fish yesterday, and then later on moved out and threw a big worm out into some wood in 12 to 15 feet of water. But that bite really struggled with the high sun and the high heat. Last night some weather moved through, and this morning we awoke to heavy, dense fog and much cooler temperatures to start our day. We got on the fish right away. There was an outstanding buzzbait bite. I caught a couple of really nice buzzbait fish this morning. Then went to the frog to see if that bite pattern still held from the day before. And truthfully, it really didn't. I had one blow up, and it was a giant, and it was a blow up, but never boated the fish. And then went out and explored with popper. And then when the weather really turned warm, as it is right now, high heat with some high humidity, then we went to the big worm again, and that bite just really turned off this morning as soon as the fog and the clouds lifted. We were hopeful for a long day of cloud and fog. That didn't happen. We lasted till about 11 o'clock in the morning, and then Mother Nature took over. So the water's a fun place to fish. There's some big fish in here. Look forward to coming back again.